Education is a shared responsibility. Government plays its role, and the family must play its role. That's when we will move together as a country. But also, the girl child herself has a role to play. Because in all this, we shouldn't assume that the girl has no role to play whatsoever.
And we have to find renewed energies, creativity, and actions that mirror those bold actions back then to confront these new challenges that we're facing today. We aim for Education Plus, as has been mentioned already by the PS, to be a high-profile, high-level political advocacy drive to accelerate actions and investments towards adolescent girls, young women and boys as agents of change.
All God's blessings and you